Since most of the freshers join organization as trainee or at junior profiles, how can they display their leadership skills in that organization?
So leadership, what we get taught in the management is always leadership of people, and that is how leadership has always been uh, positioned in books or taught in schools, which is there. Now, obviously, when you are at the bottommost rung of the ladder, there is nobody to manage. So people have always have an expectations that, oh, you give me 4 people and then I will perform. Until till that time they don't show their performance. So leadership. When you say what is a leadership, it is not only managing people or managing men, what we call as management. It is also leadership in showing that how well do you plan your activities, how well you do your tasks, how well you consider tasks which are beyond the particular task which is there. I would give an example. When I was in my Daimler Chrysler days, we were working on a website project where we were developing the website for Daimler Chrysler. I was a fresh graduate, passed out of MBA. It was I think I was in the first 6 months, and I from the IT department got assigned to this project as a fresher. We had one more fresher who had come from Germany, who was also doing his MBA, and he was also a trainee to that project. Now, when there was a task which was given to me was to design a database as a backend database for the website, and he was given some task to see how should the look and feel of the website should be, and we were given 2 weeks to complete that task. Now, obviously, both of us were trainees, both of us were working independently. At the end of it, at the end of 2 weeks, I gave a 3-pager report saying that this is the database structure, these are the fields, and this is how the database structure would look like. And I was pretty happy about it. I did a good job because I had consulted a lot of friends, I had consulted a lot of my elder brother and elder sister who was in software industry, and I was pretty sure that I have done a very good job about database design. When the German trainee he gave an 150-page report which compared all the other websites. He gave the what is good, what is bad, why it should be there. He gave some comparative websites of these are similar websites which are good, and he did a complete thorough job. So no, both of us had done the same job, but he had shown other qualities which was beyond the task, and he had done so much other market research which was not mandated to us. But and the quality of presentation which he gave at the end of 2 weeks was so high, and it was so well appreciated by all the people. At that point of time, I realized that what does just completing a job and finishing the job, the difference between both of them is quite huge. The amount of documentation, the amount of research which went into a very simple job, he just had to design some navigational inputs. It was of so high caliber, and this I have found in my professional career when I go all over the world, that we as Indians rarely we are very well satisfied once we find the answer. We don't do a complete job out of it. We do the job, but we don't complete it in all respects. In maybe in documentation, maybe in some other research. We just think that yes, that's the right answer, and once we find the answer, we stop working on it. And this is where that leadership makes a difference. So it might be a leadership in terms of completing the entire task in all respects, and that I think if a fresher shows that attitude, then it gets registered in multiple ways that you always do a thorough job. And once you do a particular job in a complete way, then the responsibilities start coming to you. You don't have to ask for responsibilities. The responsibilities come to you once you complete a task completely in all respects. If you do a half-baked job, the next job doesn't come to you because you have not completed the first task completely. So irrespective of what your first task would it be, when I was in IDBA as a summer trainee, for the first week I was made to do xeroxes of project reports, and that was I was doing photocopies as a MBA fresher or as a MBA trainee in IDBA for around a week. But after that, once I completed that job, then he said, okay, now you read those photocopies and then you give me a risk analysis report for the entire project report. And then that actually got me further. So it never mind what task you get as a first task. Any task, if you see it from a learning perspective, like if you just do a photocopy, if you also read what you are photocopying, that makes a difference. So don't have an attitude of that I would always get the best jobs. I would be in a steering board, or I would be in a boardroom making decisions along with the management director, because I'm an MBA graduate. That never happens. That happens only after you spend around 10 years in the industry. You get to that position.